Hello! Today I'm playing the Battle Cats again. TV's logging? Yes sir? Yes sir? Tomorrow I get the golden ticket. Three cat capsules. What? Why do I have three? Bird cat. I have mini bird cat. Wallet. Done. What? What the heck is that? What the heck is that? That's cursed. That's way too cursed. Kinda wanna open a rare cat capsule though. Yes. Mermaid! Mercat. I want one of these guys. Or that dude right above the reserved. What are the dynamites? Pokemon? I think it's like Pokemon or something. Alright, well, let's actually start. First, should I upgrade 10 cat or I'm gonna upgrade cow cat. I want to see what he turns into. Maybe like a giraffe or something, or a rhinoceros. Nepal. Womp. Crap. Wait, I won. I'm gonna restart. I gotta change my team. I still have a mini cow cat. Alright. Redo. I'm gonna put it in order of like expense. Yeah, like expensive stuff. Which cat? How do I reset? Reset. All units. Start off with the macho cat. Then the tank cat. Then the axe cat. Then I'm putting rare cats. Oh no, special. Then, what is it? Rare? Wait, what super rare do I have? Figure skating cats. That's my second. No. That guy's going last. Then, what would be more rare cats? The witch cat would be next. And swords in. And then it's a normal cats, right? It goes cow cat. Wait, no, what did I do? Where's Bird Cat? I just got it. Is it in rare? Oh, it's still in my storage. I'm gonna throw him out of the fridge. Oh yeah, I also have Dinosaur Cat. Yes. Nice, I do not care. Now I want, where's Dino Cat? Oh, Dino Cat! He's 1,000? He better be good. Upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade one of them. Bird Cat and Lizard Cat. They are way too expensive. No. Start. Let's go. Nepal. Bump, bump, bump. Wah, 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 wah. I got snotty news today. Let me know in the comments if any of you know what the academic games are. Because I just did propagandas in that. I'm pretty sure I qualified for nationals in propaganda. Or not qualified for nationals, I'm pretty sure I just qualified. 1,000? I'm gonna get the Dino Cat. I might not get to 1,000 to be honest. My army of macho cats is insane. Should I try cow cat or lizard cat? I think I wanna go with the lizard. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Send in the macho cats. He's one-shotting them. Oh, he's a ranged attack? He's sending people to cover for him. Jeez, Pogo Cat. Oh, Pogo Cat. This is way too easy. Cow Cat. Oh, Cow Cat. Got udders. Oh my god. The Cow Cat's insane. It's popping off. It's doing like 50 per second. I'm gonna tap on you, God. And ass. I want another cow cat. More cows. I want more pigs. I want to be able to summon my Titan cat so I can just one-shot everything in my path. My cow cats are too good. There's a new cat. Oh, Nepal's cleared. Please, 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 please. Make an uber super rare or something. What? How much XP will I get? 112,000. Should I do it? I might do it. I might do it. Should I? I don't know. It's a lot of XP. I can upgrade everything, I think. So I'm not gonna use that. Yeah. 5 more stages until I get that. Get 7 red tickets total. I'm gonna save them up. Special cats, it's in special cats. Samurai cat. Should I get it? Like the video if I should get it. Now. I mean. This spider is going to be under your bed next night if you don't like and subscribe. That's what some YouTubers are like. I'm not gonna get Samurai Cat. Looks pretty OP though. Rare cats, what rare cat did I get? Mercat, cool, I didn't ask. Lizard. It's gonna be a dinosaur. I know. I know it's gonna be dinosaur. Wait, how much is it to buy one of these? $150? That's way too expensive. Dubai? Where's South Africa? Wish you could scroll on this map. What's at 5 more stages? I'm just gonna grind out the next few levels off cam until I can upgrade Lizard Cat. Alright. 3, 2, 1. This is the level that I was just in, but there's like there's Kung Fu pandas or something. Or not pandas, penguins. Like, what? Alright, I'm gonna start filming this round now. There's Kung Fu cats. I'm so dumb. Kung Fu penguins. Oh, none of my troops are mad. They stick on my cat cannon. Please. Go! Attack! Kill! Destroy! Bro, the penguins are too good! Go! Are you? The cat god. God. Oh no. Sir, what's a plant? It's a platinum ticket. Starter pack. Wow. That gotta give me some strong. Gotta give me some strong, cheap cats. Oh crap, I meant to press upgrade. Oh, I forgot you can buy XP. Oh, I'm gonna buy the XP. Hmm, 75. What's it's for dragon cat. go. Let's go. It'll probably take him like 30 days to do that, to get that much XP. But when I bought it, took 5 seconds. I'm just gonna spam that, but I'm not gonna spawn much, because it might be like the one level in like in part 3 or 2. There's 2 of the Battle Cats. It's one of those 2. Because one of those 2, I attacked the building, and then the strong unit comes out. Please don't kill the building. There's literally 3 cats there. Dang, this dog army sucks. Only like the penguins and hippos and stuff are strong. My forces are dying out. No. Ugh. But luckily, almost have enough for my dragon cat. Go. What does it look like? Oh my god, it's hideous. Thing's hideous. Oh my god. That's so cursed. I'm gonna try to get the Titan Cat again, because it's OP. And both those 2 together could easily take down the penguins. And when I say easily, I mean easily. Almost yes. Ooh, yes. Yes. I could just get another dragon cat, but that wouldn't be good. So I want this guy. All of them are cursed. All the tall good ones that I have are cursed. Here comes the penguins. Oh my god, it does 2,000 damage. But I got all my big guys in. Well, I'm actually destroying them. No, with Cowcat and 2 lizards, nothing can take me on. Way too easy. This is way too easy. Alright, that's where I'm gonna leave it off for today. See you next video. Bye-bye. I haven't said this in any of my other videos, but if this was bad.